Hello students, my name is Teacher Marianne and today we are going to talk about food, my favorite. So let's get started. First we have fruit. So fruit comes from trees or the ground and it's very sweet and colorful. Here are some fruits like watermelon and grapes and strawberries. So this is an apple. Apples can be red or green. So this is a red apple and a green apple. Now, what do we have here? A banana. Bananas grow in trees and they are yellow and have a lot of potassium. These are grapes, so green grapes, purple grapes, and red grapes, and you can make wine from grapes. These are oranges. Many people eat oranges for breakfast, and they can give you good energy and wake you up. This is a delicious mango. Here we have just a regular mango and a fruit bowl with many mangoes. Yum. This is called a lemon. So lemons are very sour. But lemon juice is used in many recipes and you can drink lemonade. Now let's talk about vegetables. Vegetables also come from the earth, but they are not as sweet as fruit. They are like carrots and kale and asparagus and peppers. The first vegetable is an onion. So there are many different onions, green onions, yellow onions. I think this is a purple onion or a Vidalia onion, and they are used in many recipes. This is broccoli. It looks like a tree, and it is very good for you. Next we have lettuce. So there are different kinds of lettuce. These are used in salad a lot. Now we have potatoes. So many different colors of potatoes here. These are basic potatoes. You can use potatoes in fries and mashed potatoes and roasted potatoes, lots of different recipes. Next we have spinach. So spinach is a green leafy vegetable that can make you strong. Some people eat it raw and some people eat it cooked, like this. Next we have peppers. So there are many different kinds of peppers. Some are very mild and some are super spicy. Spicy. But they are all yummy. Next we have tomatoes. So here are tomatoes on a vine and a basket of different types of tomatoes. And one of my favorite things to make with tomatoes or to use tomatoes for is tomato sauce, and you can put it in pasta and pizza. Next we have a cassava. This is a root vegetable that is found in a lot of countries and can be made into a powder. These are carrots, another root vegetable that are orange and are usually cut up into small pieces. Now let's talk about protein. So proteins are different foods that can fill you up and give you energy. One kind of protein is beans. So we can have garbanzo beans, kidney beans, white beans, black beans, black-eyed peas, and I'm not sure what kind of beans these are, but beans are in a lot of different recipes. People eat them around the world. Next, nuts. Nuts have a lot of protein. We have nuts like cashews and almonds, peanuts, and pecans, walnuts, sunflower seeds, pistachios. Some people have a nut allergy, so they have to be careful. Another protein is lentils. So lentils are like small beans you can cook and use in many different dishes. Another kind of protein is beef. So beef comes from a cow. This is pork. Pork comes from a pig. This is chicken. Chicken comes from a chicken. And you can eat it like a whole chicken or fried chicken. Another protein is eggs, which come from chicken also. These are hard-boiled eggs, and these are fried eggs. Here we have goat meat. Goat meat is a little bit less common. It comes from a goat. And we also have fish. So, for example, this is tuna fish, and this is salmon. Now let's talk about dairy products. Dairy products come from cow's milk. So this is milk. You can drink it. Kids love milk. It helps their bones grow. This is cheese. So there are many different varieties of cheese. You can have a block of cheese or slices of cheese. Now these are grains. So grains are made from wheat and barley and things that grow in the ground. The first grain is bread. So you can have sliced bread, you can have tortillas, you can have baguettes. There is lots of different kinds of bread that people eat around the world. Next, there is pasta. So pasta can be long, like spaghetti, or short, like macaroni. I love pasta. Next, we have rice. There are many, many different kinds of rice, and you can use them in different recipes. And that is the end of our slideshow. Thank you for watching, students. I hope you have some delicious food today. Bye!